Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be smoking rather, the taillights on the back of the 300. So I know this is kind of a touchy subject, but we're going to talk about it. So anyway, I just got the new headlights installed in this thing. Did the catch can, which I didn't take pictures of, so I got to pull the car back out, turn it back around, pull it back in, get some pictures of that, and whatnot. But like I said, we're going to be tinting the tails on this thing tonight. Now, we're not doing the good old spray paint special or nothing like that. I had actually ordered some Vvivid film to do a chrome delete on the outside of this car. Window trim here, window trim up here, mirror trim, door handles, and the front and rear bumper trim. And I ordered way more than I need, so I will have some to do if I want to do these interior pieces or radio bezel or whatever. We could do the door panel chrome, we could do the door handle in here, you know, whatever. And I had a buddy, actually the guy who tinted this car for me, and did the windshield brow on the 6.0, reach out, and he actually needed some taillight tint for, I think, a customer project he's got going on. So I ordered him some, and I figured, since me or him have never used the stuff, I would order some, and we're doing the 300s. That way, if he has any issues, hopefully I'll figure out what I'm doing before, you know, his roll comes in, because he got a big, like, bulk roll. So that's kind of that. But let me pull this thing up in here. If I can knock my mirror off, that'd be fantastic. So let me get some pictures from the catch can install, and then we'll flip this thing back around and we'll get these tails cleaned up, and we'll go through the process of getting these things all tinted up, because I have never done this before. So I have a little bit of experience wrapping stuff, but nothing crazy. So this is going to be a learning experience. But anyway, let me get these pictures, and we will continue on with the tails. All right, guys, so here we have our taillights. So I just wiped these down with some alcohol and a brand new microfiber. Car wasn't super dirty. I just kind of hosed the car off the other day. I didn't actually hand wash it because it was, you know, 19 degrees. But we did wipe these down, and I will wipe them down here in a minute just to get anything else off of them. But I wanted to kind of explain what we're doing first. So we have here some Vvivid light smoke film. Now this film is tall enough to do the entire light this way and this way, with some extra if we go you know, kind of this way. So that's probably what we're going to end up doing. This is, I believe, a 4-foot roll by 16 inches. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get some masking tape here. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to tape off down here under the taillight on the rear bumper. I'm going to tape that off. Over here, it's not an issue. So open the trunk lid. We'll tape off over here, and like I said, the rear bumper where it'll touch. What that'll kind of help from picking up any trash that may be laying here still. It'll also help the film slide off because it won't stick to the tape very well. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, get this taped off, and after we tape it off, we'll wipe it down just kind of one more time, just to make sure that we're clean and free of anything. And then after I get this side done, we will compare this side to that side and see, is there really that big of a difference in the light output and all of that sort of thing. So anyway, let's get with it here, and let's get going. All right, so here is untinted and tinted. So there you have it. It's a after and before. So I'm not claiming to be no pro. I did wrap in here because I didn't see the sense in it. Did have a little bit of overstretch there and a glue line. This is a chip in the taillight, but this is a glue line itself. So, like I said, we're not absolutely perfect, but for my first time ever tinting them, I'm gonna chalk that up as a success. So I'm gonna move the car over. You can see I got it as far in there as it could. So I'll move the car over. I'm gonna do the other side, and well, we will continue on about our way. All right, y'all. So just like that, we got this one finished up as well. So again, a little overstretching in here, but I have a lot of film left over, so I can you know, I can play with this as we go. But anyway, let's close this. We'll step back here, and well, there you have it. Again, I didn't go crazy and doing here and all that stuff because I'm actually going to be replacing these taillights. Like I said, I'm just playing with this. So anyway, that is that. Pretty happy with them. Like I said, pretty happy with them all in all. So let's get this thing out of here, and well, let's take a look at them. But anyway, guys, there we have it. So I think, honestly, I think they look pretty nice. So this is the Vvivid light smoke. They do have a dark smoke option, which obviously is darker. But like I showed you a while ago, this doesn't really change that light output. You know, if I hit the button, I mean, you can still see everything just fine. And those are halogen bulbs. So if I switch those out for LEDs or whatever, they're going to be even brighter than that. And honestly, like I was saying, I'm going to replace these taillights anyway, within the next couple weeks probably. I'm going to get some LED tails, throw on this thing. But honestly, what I was thinking about doing, because the LED tails I'm going to open up, I'm going to paint match the insides of them and all that stuff like I do. I'm going to step out here. I'll show you all the tails on my 6.0. Those of you who are new here. So the paint matched and bordered the lenses. And I actually have another set of tails I'm working on for this. So that's something I like to do. And the tails have been more popular lately. But nonetheless, what I was thinking about doing with this, actually, color match the insides of them and then tint the lenses, just to give it that extra little bit of a twist. And then I think I'm going to do the headlights as well. So again, I have plenty of film. And if this looks like something that I want to do more of, then I'll order, you know, a big roll like I ordered for my buddy. But nonetheless, there it is. So I actually have sitting in here in my office some Vvivid black chrome that I'm going to be doing all the chrome in. So they'll be black. It won't be chrome, but it'll give it that little twist with the black chrome. So I think that'll look good. There's not a ton of chrome accents on this car. We have this rear bumper trim, runs all the way across. We have the chrome tips. We have the window trim, the mirrors, the handles, and then two pieces on the front bumper that are maybe 10, 12 inches. Something like that, maybe a little bit more. It's been a while since I looked at them things, but you know, it's not a lot of stuff. And then I think I'm gonna take that same vinyl and I'm gonna cut for all my decals on the car, so there'll be black chrome to match. I think that'll look clean, but I do really like the light smoke because it just kind of knocks the bright off of them. if that makes any sense at all. So I think they look pretty good. So anyway, guys, this is not a how-to by any means. I'm sure y'all figured that out by now, but just another little addition to the car. So the car's going to be getting some more attitude before too long. I was looking at headers for this thing, doing different exhaust. I do have stuff to paint correct the car, and that's why we're not wrapping this stuff yet. I want to paint correct it first and then wrap everything. That way I don't have to worry about nicking the wrapped pieces or whatever. So that's just kind of that for that stuff. But anyway, guys, there's your little 300 insight. So anyway, if y'all have any more suggestions for this car, I've been looking at lowering it, headers, and a few other little things, little performance things. And then at some point after I get another vehicle, because I have 4 vehicles, including the burnt truck, I'm looking at another truck. So once I get something new, I'm going to do a bunch of stuff with this. Make this thing kind of fast. Well, faster, I guess. Fast is relative. But, like I said, I do have some stuff to paint correct the car. So we'll get to that at some point. Then when we do that, I also want to ceramic coat it so it'll stay nice. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope everybody has a great day. And, well, I know the views haven't been great for this car. This thing gets all the views. But I'm excited about this. Something new for me. I haven't really done much car stuff. So it's nice to play something. Have something new to play with, I guess. But anyway, like I said, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.